Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw the evil queen from Snow White. Thanks for all your requests to draw these Disney villains, and I'm really sorry it's taken so long. Glad to be back to drawing something from Disney, and I look forward to drawing more villains for you. So be sure to let me know in the comments below what other Disney villains you want me to draw. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw this evil queen, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. So put right here and round it off. There. Now from there, now that I have the face, bottom part of her face in, let's come back up to where you started, and we're just going to draw a circle right on the edge. And same thing on the other side, towards the edge. There, I have our two circles, and let's make them draw so cute eyes. And come in here with two smaller circles at an angle and a curve at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. Okay, so now we have our eyes, and let's come back up here. We're going to give her some long lashes. Maybe just two. And come in here and thicken them. So same thing on the other side. Okay, so then now let's give her a little smirk smile right here in the center. And slightly go up and cap it off. Now let's draw her, let's finish off her face. So it's kind of like drawing a heart. So come bring this up a little bit more. We're going to start to taper it in. And I'll start to find the center. So about right here, I know I have to go up. So I'm just imagining this oval. So I'll come down about right here, give myself a point right in the center, and I'm just going to go up and connect it back. So same thing over here. Go up and connect it. Now let's make her evil for those gorgeous eyebrows. So about right here, we're going to angle our eyebrows and exaggerate it. So go up and down. Come in here and thicken it if you want. So same thing on this side. So right there, go up and down. So now she's a little bit more evil. Okay, so now let's finish off her head. So we're gonna come, let's see here, come towards the bottom where her neck is, and we're basically going to draw a curve. So it's going to taper right here. So this is kind of like the wrap that she wears around her head. So we're going to bring this around. So same thing over here. Not too thick, just kind of thinly. And just taper it in. Now let's bring this up. And we're just going to connect it with a curve. There. Okay, so then now from there, let's draw her crown. So I'm going to come to the edge right here, and I'm just going to draw angle line. And I'll do the same thing over here. So drag a point across. This way I just kind of know it's a little bit more even. So I got 2. And then I'm going to come to the center about right here, about this high. And I'm going to draw 2 points that come down. So this is going to be our center for our crown. And about right there, I'll go up on this side and zigzag. So come down and connect back. So same thing over here. Up, about right there, come down, about right there, and then connect to this point. To have our crown in. Now if you want, you can add a little circle right on top to finish off the crown. Okay, so now her head's finally done. Let's draw the body. Come to the center right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve. So I'm going to find my center, say about right there. And I'm just going to draw a curve that comes up and tapers in. So then from there, right under this point right here, I'm going to draw a circle. So this is the jewel that she has in the center. And draw another circle inside. And then from right here, I'm going to flare out a curve. So this is her beautiful white collar that she has. So just come out. So same thing over here. So from there, pretty much even, I'm just going to go up right here and curve it in. So same thing over here. So I'm just going to drag this point across and connect. Now we're going to come back in here and we're going to draw her shoulder. So about right here on both sides. So we're going to start, that's her shoulder. So I'm going to imagine her armpits about right here. So just give myself 2 points. And right there, I'll start to draw an angle line on both sides. And let's just bring this all the way down because she's wearing a robe. Bring it a little bit more. Okay, so then from there, let's stop, say about right here where you want to put her belt. So come about right here. And just draw a curve across. And before I finish that curve, I'm going to come in here and just give it a little knot. And connect. So now I know where her waist is. Now I can draw her hands a little bit better. I can gauge it a little bit more. So I'll bring this curve down and out. So her hands are going to be about this area, past her waist. And so let's bring this down a little bit more. Okay, so then from there I'm going to connect it with a curve for her sleeves right here. So I'm just going to bring this down all the way. A little curve right there. And in this area, I'm just going to draw her hand that kind of pokes out. So it's just going to be a curve for a finger. Bring it in. Another poking out for her thumb. And then let's finish this. We're going to continue that curve and just kind of tuck it in. There, got one arm in. Now the other arm. So this one's going to be a little bit higher because this arm is holding an apple. So just bring it up a little bit higher. And same thing, we're just going to stop about right there. Draw a curve that comes down just like the other side. And so in this area, we're going to draw her hand. So I'm just going to come out with a curve. round it off for her fingers and just bring it back in. Kind of looks weird, huh? Like a hook. Here, make it shorter. Now when you put an apple in there, it'll look better. Okay, so I'm going to put in a little apple. Little curve right here and the stem. There. Now it doesn't look so weird, right? Round off our apple a little bit. Okay, so then now let's continue our sleeve. And tuck it right back in, just like the other side. Okay, so then from there, let's continue. So about right there, our robe is going to end. So right here, and just connect it with a soft curve. And let's see here. Oh, and before I forget, now we need to draw her the robe on the back. So where this circle is right here, we're going to come about right here and draw a curve that comes up on both sides. So you can pop this out a little bit. And this is going to, imagine this coming down, it's going to flow over. So about right here, bring out a curve and just tuck it back in. So same thing over here. So about right here, flare it out and tuck it back in. And then finally, let's draw the tassel right here, the rope. So maybe just one that comes down a little bit longer. And one more. There. And of course you gotta give her a heart. She may be evil, but she still has a heart, right? To make her a Draw So Cute Evil Queen. So there, hope you guys love my drawing of this evil queen, and I was able to make her a little bit evil and a lot of cute. Thanks so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.